In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Messenger on your Windows laptop or PC. So first of all, you need to go to your Windows search option. Then you need to search for Microsoft Store, and here you can see Microsoft Store. Just click on it. Then once you open Microsoft Store, in the search option, you need to search for Messenger. And there you can see it is showing Messenger. Just click on it. And then you need to click on this Get option. Click on Get. It will start downloading Messenger, and once the download is complete, it will start installing Messenger. And there you can see the installation is complete. So right now we just need to click on Open, and it will open Messenger over here. So you just need to log in to see your message. So this is how you can download and install Messenger on your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.